Hi, this is Dr. Dave Williams from Paso Feet, and this is Minute Tips that are good for the soul. And today we're going to talk about sweaty, smelly, nasty feet. Ugh, nobody likes that, but everybody tends to have a problem with that from time to time. A couple of things you can do to counteract that is have multiple pairs of shoes. You want to alternate those out daily so you're not wearing the same pair of shoes every day. That's going to cut down on the mustiness, cut down on the smell, and probably reduce the fungus that lives in your shoes too. Number two, go ahead and change your socks regularly. You want to have dry feet, and socks that wick the moisture out are going to be very helpful for that. And number three, and this is a big one, go get a roll-on antiperspirant. You know the kind that you use under your arms? Yeah, you can use it for your feet too. Who knew? Try that out for a couple of weeks, see if that does a trick, see if it reduces the smell, and most importantly, reduces the moisture. I hope that helps. This is Minute Tips that are good for the soul. Dr. Dave Williams. We'll see you here at El Paso Feet real soon.